Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to change background or do sky replacement in your videos easily. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe my channel for daily video editing tutorials. So open Premiere Pro. Add your video clip on the second track. Now go to Effect panel and search for Color key. Now add this effect to your video clip. And click on the color picker and click on that part of your video which you want to remove. So in this case, I want to remove sky in background. Now increase the tolerance until you get your desired result. When you're all set, decrease the edge thin if you don't want these outlines. Now add your clip for your background. As you can see, they are very different and cannot match with each other because of colors. Now to solve this issue, go to Effect Control and search for Lumetri Color. Add on your first clip to match the colors. So my background is dark and bluish. So I will decrease temperature slide to get bluish look. And decrease the exposure and shadows to make it dark. You can also use color wheels and creative tab for more. If you have any questions or facing any problem, feel free to comment.